Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing okay. And in today's video, I'm just showing us a simple routine of a girl living in the village. And of course, the first thing that we do when we wake up is brush our teeth. Like brushing your teeth keeps you in a good mood. Do you guys do this? Like for us, we brush from outside. Like most Africans, even if they have sinks inside the house, they brush from outside. I think it's because that is what we are used to. Not many Africans have sinks inside their house. So you just brush from, like, in the nature, you brush your teeth. Sometimes you can be using a toothbrush, I mean, or you can use like a simple stick from a tree, from branches. Just so nice. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's good morning here. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you're watching me. Just finished brushing my teeth, and guys, let me tell you, you see this brush? This brush is from the USA. Like, let me show you. It has even some things that look like mattress in the middle. I'm used to the brushes, these brushes, they're very soft. I'm used to the hard ones. They're very soft, so you have to brush with a lot of strength, you see? Yeah, so yeah, brush from the USA. It's a YouTuber was gifted this, and he gifted me as well. Yeah, this is from a YouTuber. Thank you so much to that fellow YouTuber from Nyabohansi. Though it's not from Nyabohansi, but we were there. So thank you. Thank you. I want to go to the shamba because it's wedding season here, guys. It's wedding season. So I'll take you to the shamba. Let me take these ones to the house, then I come. Guys, my panga is ready, so we're going to the shamba. Oh, there's these beautiful flowers over here, but there's a lot of, I don't know, some bees, so I don't want to go closer, but let me show you. Look at that. And guys, do you know that this plant is actually medicinal? It's medicinal. When your baby is crying, you can give it to them, like you boil it and you give it to them. Oh, you can hear the bees, guys. Can't stay here any longer. Let me take you to the shamba. So guys, we are already here. This is my grandmother's shamba, but my mom is the one who is still in it at the moment. And let me tell you, the rains have been so bad. They've really destroyed a lot of things. Even our house has like molding on the ceiling. Maybe I should show you that. Has molding on the ceiling. Oh my goodness, the rains were just too much. Even our house was raining. I'm telling you, our house was raining. But see, the maize are so healthy. As you can see, the maize is so healthy. But I want to start weeding with you. You just like uproot this. Guys, as you can see, the weeds are so big. They're so big, so the best thing is to uproot them as you till. I wanted to do it with the panga, but I think it's not effective. So actually, this weed is taken to the goats. We usually weed. Then my grandmother comes for it and takes it to the goats. Yeah. So let me weed a little bit for the goats. This is how we get food for the goats, guys. Let me show you the difference. You see, like here, you see how it looks. Here have weeded. We have like beans. These ones are very delicious when they are eaten like this, and they are eaten before they dry. Especially if you eat with like something like rice. Look at the difference. Here I've not weeded. There's a lot of blackjack. This blackjack. It sticks on your clothes, and then there's somewhere, guys, we have some this actually tomato, but they're not growing so well because they are wild tomatoes. So guys, like after weeding like this is how you weed with a panga. You can literally use a djembe or a fork. A djembe, what's the name of a djembe in your language? So this is how you weed with a panga as well. This is a panga. So you hold it like this, then you weed. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at these small potatoes. I've uprooted it by mistake, but here we have tomatoes. Oh, not tomatoes, guys. These are potatoes. Oh, look, I've even found another one. Oh my goodness. Look. There's a time my grandma had planted some potatoes in this shamba. That's why you see them still growing. They never, like once you plant potatoes, they will always grow. Guys, one reason weeding is done, it's to protect like this place, to protect it, because you say like when you don't do weeding, your the health of the plants that you've planted, it will go down, like they won't grow well. As you can see, they are healthy, they're very healthy. The rain was in excess. The floods did not come here, the rain did not come here to joke, guys. So the reason for weeding is to keep the plants healthy. Yeah, like you take care of everything that you love, and food is the backbone of everything. So guys, I'm actually done with the weeding. I'm taking these tomatoes or potatoes home, and let me tell you something, guys. Like right now, I want to go somewhere. I've woken up in the morning. I woke up in the morning. Right now it's around 9. So okay, it's around 8:40 there. So 8:40 a.m. not p.m. So I woke up in the morning. I've cleaned my clothes. I've taken breakfast, and now like I've gotten the food for the goats. My grandma will come to pick it later. I'm done, and like I feel so good already. I feel like my day is already a success. I'm so lucky to be alive, guys. Like life is the most precious thing on earth, so I celebrate life every day. Today I'm going out with a friend whom we were schooling together, and we are actually going to school, guys, to see some things. So I want to take a shower, but before I take a shower, guys, I want to show you how the rain has really affected us, like not in a direct level. Our house, it's a mess. Come with me. This is what I was talking about. I'm actually recording with my phone. My camera cannot record here. Look at that. Guys, you see like how there's a lot of molding on top of there. There's a lot of molding because it's been raining inside the house. So this, like the ceiling has become destroyed right now. It was so white. Let me try to get up. Look at this painting that I bought. There's a time I was in town and I really loved this painting because of the bicycle and the dog. And then these ones I went and bought them. Like these was the two of them. The two of them, guys, this and this, they were $1. I really love flowers and I can't wait to get like a nice space one day and be able to decorate it. Look, this is molding. I don't know how even to get rid of it. If you know, please let me know. Yeah, it's been raining. As you can see, I'm actually boiling my water. It's boiled. This water I want to take a bath and go to school with my friend. This is my water. We actually have water. Have water, but from a borehole, and we take a bath, not a shower. And that's our washroom. I wanna show you guys. I actually washed my clothes. Don't think I'm joking. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. But I'm washing them because I don't have, like, you have to stay clean. This is where we hang our clothes. We live in a rented place with my mom. So these are the clothes that I washed. We hang them to sun dry. Look at the sky. It looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness, we are so blessed. So guys, what I'm going to do, I want to look at the black. Let me show you. Look at the blackjack from the shamba. They stick to your clothes. Once they get your clothes, they stick to them. Thank you so much for watching. I think I'm going to end my video here. I yeah, I'm going to end my video here because I want to get ready. I don't want to be late. So if I continue shooting, I'll be late. Like I've done everything. I feel so good. I've done everything I was supposed to do. And now it's time for me to go. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always watching my vlogs. I love you to the moon and back. Yeah, yeah, that love, it's a lot, right? Big like this. Yeah, so continue trusting in the Lord and God. Give him thanks every day for everything, for your precious life. Like, you're so lucky to be here. Thank you so much for your life, guys. I'm going to end the video here. Bye bye. See you in the next video.